Good morning, student. Today I am here once again to talk about the numericals on mirror formula. And this mirror formula, today I will try to solve the numerical for competitive exam student. The easier ones of NCERT already you must have done it. Even if you have not solved it, you will be able to understand by attending this class also. But mainly our focus will be for the competitive basis student. See, mirror formula, we have direct formula 1, which we have already studied. This was the formula, student. Okay, another formula we have. Student, this yi, it stands for height of the image, and I have written y to make you understand it is a y coordinate. Okay, yo is the height of the object, student. Yi, height of the image. Yo, height of the object. V already you know it, image distance, and U is object distance. F is focal length. Okay, student. Now, student, first sign convention. This is the very important part which you must understand. If you understand this part, you can solve any numerical. For example, I have a concave mirror. This is the principal axis, student. Say this is F, this is C. Say this focal length is of 10 centimeter. And suppose, student, an object is kept like this. This is the object, student. How will you find out the image? First, student, sign convention, you see. This is the object. See, the direction of incident light is this. This is the direction of incident light. Light is coming in this direction. First thing, student, this is origin. This is x coordinate. And this is y coordinate. Okay, student. But direction of light is this. This means, student, this direction, this is the origin, this left direction, this will be taken as positive direction. This you have to understand, student. Okay, I am repeating it. This is the origin, the pole of the mirror. X axis, y axis. Generally in mathematics, what you do is this direction is taken as positive, this is positive, this is negative. But here we have to take the direction of incident light. This is the object, light is coming in this direction, means towards my left. So this left of this origin is positive, which will mean that this direction, right of this direction, will be negative, student. Got it, student? Origin, right side negative, this side positive, seeing the direction of light. Now, student, some more data are required for this. Suppose this is this point. This is at a distance 15 centimeter. And this point, this is at distance 20 centimeter. Now, student, the tip of this is an extended object. Tip of this is at the center of curvature. So the image of this will be at the same point, center of curvature. Okay, student. So the object on the principal axis, image is also on the principal axis. But now I have to trace this part where I have written B, this part, the image of this. So this will have x coordinate and this will have y coordinate, student. X coordinate will be given by this formula. Y coordinate will be given by this formula. Given means I have to calculate here. One more data is required, student. This object, say this is at a height of 2 meter, 2 centimeter. Okay, student, height of the object YO, it is 2 centimeter. Sign convention above plus, below negative. Now I will apply this formula, student, to find the x coordinate of this. See, student, 1 upon V plus 1 by U, 1 by F. V I have to find out. U is given 15 centimeter minus 15. F, student, is a concave mirror. F is this side, you see. From here I have to come this side. And this side is negative. F is minus 10, student. Now I will calculate this. If you solve it, I am getting minus 1 by 30. This means value of V is minus 30, student. Now, student, try to understand the meaning of this minus 30. Minus means negative direction. And according to our sign convention of this figure, see, this direction is negative. This means from here 30 centimeter. I have to go this side. Now I am rubbing this part, student. Okay, student. I have to go 30 centimeter from here this side. Say it is coming somewhere here, say. This is the line. This is 30 centimeter. From here, I am writing it here. So this 30 centimeter is the x coordinate of this point. Now I have to find out y coordinate. For y coordinate, what is the formula, student? I am again writing it. Height of the image, height of the object minus V upon U. This is known as magnification. Height of the image I have to find out means y coordinate. YO is given, student, plus 2 centimeter. Minus V came out to be minus 30. Just now we have calculated. U is minus 15. This gives us, student, minus 2. Now, student, I am getting YI minus 4. Now, student, try to understand the meaning of this minus 4. It is y coordinate and minus. Upward side y positive, below it is negative. So on this line I have to come minus 4 below. Say here. This is 4, minus 4, student. This means the image of this is formed here, student, see. Now I can draw this line. I will get the full image. See, student. You can trace the image of this. I have got the answer, student. Can you see, student, though it is a competitive exam, but it is so easy. It is following the same rule as in the NCERT book. We have solved the questions. Got it, student? Again, I am repeating it. First sign convention. This is origin, pole of the mirror. This is object. Light is coming left side. So this side will be negative, positive. So see, positive side. If this is positive, this direction is negative. So here, see, focus is this side, so it will be negative. Object distance, I have to come from here to here, object. This side I have to come to measure object distance, so negative, minus 15 I have written. I calculated V, minus 30. This is x coordinate, student. Remember, this is x coordinate. Means the x coordinate image of this point will be along this side 30 centimeter. I have drawn a line, 30 centimeter line. Then I have to find out its y coordinate. This object, it is at 2, y is 2 for the object. Here I have substituted plus 2, it is above the principal axis. Substitute the value C minus 4, this. So this is the point C where the image is formed, student. Now let's solve another problem, student. So basic thing, if you remember, the problem will become very easy, student. Let's solve one more question. These questions are not directly from NCERT student, but it is following the theme of NCERT book. Now friends, suppose again I have a mirror, concave I am taking. Again the same data, here F, here C. Now suppose student the object is like this. C student. This is center of curvature. Say this length is 1 meter and this length is 3 meter. Again I am taking F as 10 centimeter and this is center of curvature student. This I am taking 20 centimeter. Okay student. The object is situated above the principal axis. It is not on the principal axis. I am naming it student. This I am saying it as A. This I am saying it as B. This point is at height 1. Again student, origin. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is the object. Light is traveling in this direction. So this means left. So this direction is positive student. And if this direction is positive, that will mean this direction should be negative student. Now in order to find the position of A, first I have to find out the x coordinate of A and then I have to calculate y coordinate of A student. This distance is student 20 centimeter, means this object is at 20 centimeter student. Okay. Let's first find x coordinate of A student. Let us find out. X coordinate of A, because it will have both the coordinate x and y, because since the object is above the principal axis. If the object lies on the principal axis, image is also formed on the principal axis. In that case only x coordinate is required, but here both the coordinate will be there. Again I will use the same formula student. In this case u is minus 20, f is minus 10. So if I calculate this, student v comes out to be minus 20. What is the meaning of this minus sign student? See, this side is negative. From here I have to go 20. This is at C. Okay, this means the x coordinate of this point will be along this line. I am extending it. Somewhere here its x coordinate will be student. Okay, somewhere on this line. Now I have to calculate its y coordinate. Now I am calculating y coordinate of A. For this I will apply this formula. Now student, what is the y coordinate of the object? See, it is at 1 meter above the origin. So this is 1. Minus v is minus 20 and u is also minus 20 student. So y coordinate comes out to be minus 1. So what is the meaning of minus 1 student? This is x coordinate on this line. So minus 1 is below here, I have to go somewhere here. So this is, now I got both the x and y coordinate of A. X is this, y is this. So this is the point student. This is where the image of A is formed student. A dash. I have calculated the image of AC A dash. Now I will work on the B point, student. Now student, A and B, they are on the same straight line. So x coordinate of B will be same as A. So x coordinate of B will be also 20. If we calculate also, we will get the same thing. So x coordinate of B will be same, student. But y coordinate of B will not be same. Now student, for B, I have to find image object. You see, student, this is the from y axis origin. It is at 4 meter. Can you see it, student? It is of 4 meter. Just one mistake, student. Here I have taken unit centimeter, student. So this also you take centimeter, okay? Centimeter, not meter, okay? Unit should be same, student, okay? So this is its y height is 4 centimeter. So plus 4 I have write here. Minus v is x coordinate, it is same. And the distance is given, already given in the question, 20. Now student, yi comes out to be minus 4. This means from here on this line I have to go minus 4 below. This is 1, so minus 4 will come somewhere like there. This is the student B dash. See, student, I got the image. See, student, how the image is formed. Since it is not on the principal axis, so image is not on the principal axis. See. Like this, student, you can solve the numerical. Let's take another case. Now student, one more point on this. Suppose I have a convex mirror, student. This is convex mirror. This is the object, ray parallel to principal axis. It will appear to come from here, focus. Then one ray I am taking this way. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. One ray will go like this. I will trace it backward. So this is the size of the image, student. So in case of convex mirror, student, see, this is object distance u and this is image distance v. Again the sign convention, student. This is origin. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is object. Light is traveling in this direction towards my right. This means, student, this side is positive. This you have to understand. And if this side is positive, means this side will be negative. So here see, image is formed here on this side, positive side. So for convex mirror, remember V will be always positive. Always, student. Because image will never be formed on this side for convex mirror. So if V is not given, it will come out to be positive. If V is given, you have to take positive sign. See, always it is. It will not change, student. This fact you have to remember. Other is magnification. Magnification is height of the image and height of the object. So this is image height, it is positive, object height positive, so M will be positive, and M positive means the image will be virtual, student. And always the height of the image will be less and M will be less than 1. This is permanent fact for the convex mirror. If the image is virtual and its M is less than 1, the image will be mirror will be convex. But if M is positive and M is greater than 1, then it will be concave mirror. If M is positive and M is greater than 1, it will be concave mirror. It is not possible in case of convex mirror. Okay, student? One more thing, student. If magnification comes out to be negative, this will mean the image is real, and real means it is inverted. And in case of concave mirror, both are possible. M may be positive as well as negative. But in case of convex mirror, M will always be positive and its value will be always less than 1. Okay, student? Focal length, already I told you. Focal length of concave mirror will be always negative. Focal length of convex mirror will be always positive. These are the certain facts, student, you have to remember about it. Thank you, student.